and welcome back to Sewing Therapy. I'm Sarah and today we are going to try something new together, drafting your own sewing pattern. Hoping that this skirt will become your favorite, I've prepared this video. I will walk you step by step on how to draft your own maple skirt pattern using a piece of cardstock. You probably know me well enough to know how much I love skirts and dresses. I took everything I love about a skirt and put those elements into the maple skirt. This skirt really is the perfect skirt pattern for me. The maple skirt is an A-line midi skirt with the maximum volume that your fabric allows. This skirt is adjustable and customizable, meaning every maple will be different and unique to you. As this is not yet an actual skirt and still just a drafting of the pattern, you are free to adjust the volume and length. And if you're confident enough, you can go ahead and sew yours right away. But if you need my help, please wait for the part 2 video that is a step-by-step sew-along video. Before we get started, a quick highlight of the subscribe, like, and notification bell buttons. Let's get started. To make a voluminous maple skirt, you will need 2.5 yards of 60-inch wide fabric. I recommend any woven fabric with moderate drape. If you prefer your skirt length to be under 40 inches, then you can use 42-inch fabric. If using 42-inch fabric, you will need 3 yards of fabric for the right amount of volume. You will need 1.5-inch wide elastic for the waist. Fold the fabric in half lengthwise. For the waistband, draw a 5-inch wide strip and cut. Take your hip measurement and divide that number by 4. For example, I measured 36 at the hip, so I marked 8 inches away from the folded edge. Make another mark 2 inches away from the top edge. Draw a curved line connecting these two marks. Make a right angle on the folded edge. From the curved line, mark your preferred length until you reach the edge of the fabric. Consider the seam allowance for the hem and add a few inches. Connect the marks and now you have a skirt panel. In case you don't mind the curved hem and you want to add more volume on the skirt, try this. Fold the fabric widthwise to duplicate the pattern for the back panel and cut. Set the cut piece aside. Draw an inseam pocket on the empty area beside the skirt panel. You can use any inseam pocket pattern you already have or Google free pocket pattern and download one of the many that are available. Let's cut pattern pieces. Now you have one skirt front, one skirt back, and 4 pocket pieces. Unfold the remaining piece for the side panels. We will use the fabric on the cross grain, but it won't have much effect as this is a skirt made with woven fabric. Draw a diagonal line on the fabric. Mark the same length of the skirt on the center. Draw 1-inch lines on both ends. Draw the skirt length. Cut out the side panels. Let's figure out the length of the waistband. Overlap the skirt panels by 3/8 inches. Measure the waist. I use string to measure the curve. Cut the waistband to length. Now you have all the pattern pieces for a maple skirt ready. You can go ahead and make your own maple skirt now. And if you need my help, stay tuned for my upcoming sew-along video where we can sew our maple skirts together. Congratulations! You have just drafted your very own maple skirt pattern. I hope you enjoyed this process of planning and drafting your own sewing pattern, especially the freedom you have to make the desired modifications for a maple skirt that is perfect for you. Make sure to give the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons a click so you don't miss part 2 of this video where we will sew our maple skirts together. See you on my next video. 안녕!